Where's your bunny?
What's your bunny's name? Yeah.
Where's Stinky?
Call him.
Ivan, call Stinky. Where is Stinky?
Call him.
Call Stinky.
I think he's out here, buddy. I think Stinky's out here.
Let's go get Stinky. Come on.
Come here. He's out here. He's right here, Ivan. Look.
Who'd Daddy find?
Who's this? What's his name? What's his name? What's his name? Ivan, who is that? What's his name?
What's the bunny's name? Call Stinky.
Call him. Who's that? Who's this? Ivan, who is this guy? What's his name?
Call him. Ivan, say Stinky. Ginger, go. You're getting his face.
What's his name? Say Stinky.
Stinky. Where are you, Stinky? Say Stinky. Where's Stinky? Stinky. Where's Stinky? Say Stinky. Give Stinky a muh.
Can you give Stinky a ma? Give Stinky a ma. Give him a ma. Give him a ma.
Ma.
Ma. Yeah, him.
Stinky.
Ma. Can I have a ma? Can I have a kiss? Oh. Thank you.
Give Daddy a muh.
Can I have a high five? Mwah.
Mwah.
I want a big ma. Mwah.
Ivan, call Stinky. Ivan, say Stinky.
Stinky.
Say Stinky. Car.
You see car?
Say Stinky.
Stinky.
Ivan, where's Stinkadink? Where's Stinky? Where's Stinky? Say Stinky. Ivan, ma. Say Stinky. Can you say Stinky?